Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the calendar part of the app right here. Right now, if you just go into it and click on it, we can see what's in the calendar. So if you've logged anything here in the calendar, this is actually a calendar at the top, and there's like super light here. There's a little pull down box. So you can see where in your calendar, if you've logged anything or anything's happened on that one particular day. I've been filming a few videos here today, so that's why the 15th is circled. So you will know, and if you touch on it, you're going to see what you've logged that day. So it really is tracking your workouts, any nutrition that you've logged, or anything that you've possibly missed. Because if you saw, okay, well, I was supposed to do a workout that day and I didn't log it, the calendar is going to let you know. Now, this is also connected to programs. So if I've designed a program for you, which is basically a calendar of both your training and nutrition here, which I do have a separate video on, let's click that. And that video goes over touching the program and starting the program. So we can go ahead and start it. However, you can view it by clicking this arrow forward, and you can see what the entire program is, like what's listed in the entire program. So let's go ahead and start that program, and it will start your program on the day that you hit start. And so if I go down, it tells you your workouts and whatnot, and it will tell you if you've missed or completed logging of workouts. And also here, there's another tab, missed and completing logging of nutrition, as well as any progress photos and when you have uploaded them. So the great thing about this is that you can go ahead and start logging from the program. So you just simply click on this workout, and I'm going to start a new session because I've been filming videos. But if you did happen to not finish logging the workout, the app will also tell you. And so I can change the date, I can change the time, and this is the workout that I would like you to do. However, you have the freedom to go and change it. So we're going to go ahead and hit start. And this is the actual workout that you can go ahead and do, as well, reminding you of the notes here at the top of the page, and you can see all of the notes there. So, however, I'm not going to go through and log the workout. There is another video for that. So let's go back to our main dashboard and see what happens after I've started my program to what happens with my calendar. So I click on calendar now, and you see once you've started your program, your calendar will now populate all of the things that are required of you. And see this little light drop down line here, pull that, it will tell you you have things in the future by light circles. So that's excellent, so that you can kind of plan your life schedule or any other appointments around this in order to make sure that you have your schedule all set up for the week. So this is logging or taking a look at the calendar function of the app, paired with a little bit of the programs as well. However, if I've put anything in the calendar and I've signed it to you, under that calendar, it will be there, as well as logging all your training and all your nutrition to let you know what you've logged that day, including any bonus workouts you have designed for yourself. That will also be populated here under each day of the calendar.